Collinsville Township decided to go solar for a few different reasons, because I've heard a lot of talk on the street that there were some grants and some incentives out there to do it. So there was that part. And then, of course, the money savings. You know, it fits really perfect with what I've been looking to do here at the Collinsville Township, with reducing the size of the budget and how much that we actually tax our citizens. We've been able to reduce here for the last 4 years, but the one thing that was really causing me problems was our energy and our electricity bill. It just kept going up, sometimes over $2,000 a month. So we decided to go with solar, and there was a couple of different options. We could have leased it for long-term lease over 20, 25 years, or we could have just bought all the panels outright. For us, it made more sense to buy them all outright. They're basically going to pay for us to go green, to not only help the environment, but to help our cost, and then in turn it helps the taxpayers as well. So it made the most sense, and really appreciate the program that they got. What advice would I give to other townships or cities or anybody that's looking into solar? I think my biggest thing was I was scared at first because I didn't quite understand all the numbers. Is it really going to save us money on our energy bill? So I think the biggest advice I would say is don't be scared. If you work with the same vendor that I used anyway, they walked me through it all, explained it all, and then they followed through. They are on time, they are on budget, and it made it actually really simple that I was like, wow, why didn't I do this earlier even? So if you were like me and thinking about solar, I just encourage you to go out and get educated on it and get multiple bids like we did and talk to people to figure out exactly what's best for you, because every situation's different. For us, Illinois Solar for All was just the key to making it happen.